Greetings everyone. After aligning horizontally with row and vertically with column, it's time to think outside inside the box. The box composable in Jetpack Compose is like a playground where you can layer items on top of one another. Let's jump into Android Studio and see how we can use box. So for box layout, we can just simply use this box and here we can place items. In this box layout, I will use this image I have already pasted in my drawable package, and also I will use a text composable. Now let's run our app and see how this box layout will place these childrens. Here we can see this box layout has placed this text on top of this image. And now what more we can do? Here let's use this bracket. Here we have this modifier, so we can use this modifier to give sizing and other things. So for now let's give some sizing around 200 dp, and also let's use an icon after this. Now let's run our app and see this change. Now we can see we have all these three things on top of one another. So here after this modifier we have this parameter called content alignment. So here we can align our content. So let's use this alignment dot center. And if we want to give some other alignment, we have these many options. So let's use this center, and also you can see in this screenshot here these are many options we have. So let's run our app again. So here we can see with the help of this content alignment we have placed these contents in the center. Now what if we want to give alignment individually to each child? I want to give bottom center alignment to this text. So here after this I can use this modifier parameter, use this align modifier, and let's use this bottom center. Now let's run our app and see. So now we can see this text is aligned in the bottom center. Now let's have a look into our favorite apps to see box layout in action. We can see they have placed this timestamp on the top of that thumbnail. And also in this Instagram app we can see the logo of that reel on top of that thumbnail. Again they have used that box layout in this. That wraps up our tutorial on the box layout in Jetpack Compose. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Compose goodness.